Today, Quinn and I are going to show you how to make a fun Pete the Cat headband. Based off the book, Pete the Cat, I Love My White Shoes. Written and created by James Dean, Kimberly Dean, and Eric Litwin. Then at the end of the video, Quinn and I are going to do a fun Pete the Cat, I Love My Shoes dance. Let's get started.
Art with Ferris.
Start by getting 4 different colors of paper. Blue paper, black paper, yellow paper, and white paper. Also grab a Sharpie, scissors, and glue.
Let's do this.
Take one of your blue sheets and follow my lead.
It's drawing the cat.
That's right, I am drawing the cat. Here's the measurements that I used for this. You are welcome to use mine or use your own. Now take the other blue sheet and draw 2 blue strips. You probably only need 1, but I like to make 2 just in case you need them. And here are my measurements.
Now cut them out. Now we draw the eye.
That's right, now we draw the eye. Now you need 2 of these, so the best way to do it is to fold your paper and then cut it out, just like this.
Now there's 2.
That's right, there's 2 now. Now you're going to cut out a small white oval, an even smaller black oval, and a small white triangle for the nose. These are the measurements I used if you want to use them.
Put the eyes back here.
Now you're going to take your white oval and cut it in half right here and place them right here at the top of the eye. Now take your black oval and cut it in the middle, just like the white, and then place them at the top in the center of the white, like this. Now take your white triangle, place it right here for the nose, then draw whiskers with your Sharpie. Now take one of your strips and glue it to your cat on one side. Before you glue the other side, put it on your head to make sure that the size is right. Then you can glue it.
I love it. I love my shoes. 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 I love my shoes.
That's great.
Bye bye now.